So keyword research is like finding the words people type into search engines. It's vital for online success. Picture it as using the right words to get noticed on Google. By knowing that words people use, you can make your content match what they're looking for. This is crucial because it means the right people find your website. It's not just about being at the top of the Google, it's about talking in a way that makes sense to your audience. Keyword research is like a guide, helping you know where your audience is looking. It's the key to making sure your website is easy to find and has what people are searching for. The significance of research lies in its ability to align your online presence with the actual language your audience uses. It ensures that your content resonates with their queries, attracting a relevant audience interest in your offerings. Essentially, keyword research is a strategic tool that not only boosts search engine rankings but also establishes a connection between your content and specific terms your audience employs, making your online presence both accessible and meaningful. Alright, so this was about what is keyword research and why is it important. Now let's understand how to do a keyword research using ChatGPT. For that, let's go to google.com. So as you can see, we have opened Google. Now all we have to do is to write, first of all we'll write AIPRM. AIPRM. Alright, so AIPRM or AIPRM for ChatGPT you can type. Now let's open the first link. We'll click on the first link. So this is basically an extension. It is a marketplace of prompts. They provide you prompts that you don't have to type the whole prompt. They have pre-made prompts that you can use. Alright, now we can click on this add to Chrome button over here. Add extension. Alright. So as you can see, this is a whole new outlook of this ChatGPT. This is AIPRM prompt extension. So basically they give you pre-made prompts. As you can see, this you used SEO optimized content writer, fully SEO optimized article including. So there are numerous, as you can see, 4580 prompts. So you can choose accordingly whichever prompt you want, and you can also search over here. And this is topic, activity, sort by. You can also sort, and prompts per page. You can customize it according to yourself. So as you can see, here is the topic. We can go to topic and we can select. So we want to basically do a keyword research. We'll go to SEO. We'll click on SEO. After that, in activity, we can select this keywords. Alright. Now as we can see, there are numerous prompts according to what we have selected. That YouTube SEO, keyword generator, SEO, optimize your Google business profile, etc. So we can select as per our choice. So what I have figured out which is best is this one. Keyword analysis. I repeat, keyword analysis. So as we can see, find the table of best keywords with search volume, CPC, paid difficulty, SEO difficulty. So for those who don't know about CPC, CPC or cost per click is a measure in online advertising that represents the amount you pay when someone clicks on your ad. It's essentially the cost of each interaction with your advertisement. Higher the CPC values often indicate more competitive keywords or advertising spaces. And as you can see, paid difficulty is also written. So paid difficulty refers to how challenging it is to compete for a particular keyword in paid advertising. A higher paid difficulty score means that it might be more expensive or competitive to bid for that keyword in paid search campaigns. So now there is SEO difficulty. So SEO difficulty basically is a measure of how hard it is to rank organically for a specific keyword in search engine results. A higher SEO difficulty suggests that it might be more challenging to optimize your content to appear higher in unpaid organic search results for that keyword. It takes into account factors like competition and the existing strength of other pages ranking for the same keyword. So these are the meanings of these things, as we can see. So we have already clicked on this. Now, as you can see, seed keyword that you search for. So let's say I'm searching for cloud computing, let's say. Cloud computing. And let's click on this. So as we can see, they are creating all this. Now let's explore keywords related to cloud computing along with their respective search volume. right? So as you can see, keyword, these are the keywords that we got, and these are the search volumes. So we all know what search volume is, the number of searches, and the CPC, as we already discussed, what is CPC. Again, if somebody wants to know about it, CPC or cost per click is a measure in online advertising that represents the amount you pay when someone clicks on your ad. So these are the amount you pay when someone clicks on these ads. Alright, so paid difficulty, again, it refers to how challenging it is to compete for a particular keyword in paid advertising. So this is paid difficulty of each of these keywords. Then SEO difficulty. SEO difficulty is a measure of how hard it is to rank organically for a specific keyword in search engine results. So these are the SEO difficulty. So we can select accordingly, and the table index is a mix of 100 keywords including long tail, LSI. So long tail keywords are also there, as we can see. We'll discuss long tail keywords also after this. So this is how you can do keyword research using ChatGPT. We'll do 1 or 2 more demos regarding this. So let's do another example. So we are going to select keyword analysis, and then we'll have to put seed keyword. Remember to select SEO first of all. Here we can see SEO, and then in activity you have to select keywords because we are doing the keyword research. Alright, now after selecting this keyword analysis, we basically want all these things like search volume, CPC, paid difficulty, SEO difficulty, so that we can choose the right keywords accordingly. So let's see, here we have to put the seed keyword. So let's say the seed keyword is, let's say, DevOps. Alright, now let's click on this. So they are giving us the keywords, a lot of keywords they usually give. Let's explore the keyword analysis for DevOps. So as you can see, high search volume, very high search volume, high. So these search volumes regarding these keywords are shown, and the CPC is also showing, and paid difficulty, SEO difficulty as well. So we basically want the SEO difficulty is to minimum or like medium. So we can search or extract those keywords accordingly. So they have written this table includes a mix of 100 relevant long tail keywords, LSI keywords, and FAQ related to DevOps. It provides insights into search volume, CPC, cost per click, paid difficulty, and SEO difficulty to help optimize your content and reach the target audience effectively. So through this you can select these keywords, and I think if you click on continue, it will keep on going for more keywords. So as you can see, long tail keywords now it is showing. So these are LSI keywords. So we will discuss these terms, long tail keywords, LSI keywords after some time. Later in this, I repeat, later in this video. So this is how you can simply do a keyword research using ChatGPT. Again, this keyword research is completely free. You don't have to pay a single buck regarding this. Now let's try another method of doing a keyword research. For that, all we have to do is to go to Google and we'll type keywords everywhere. Alright, so here's the first link. Let's click on this. This is another extension, install for Chrome. We'll click on install for Chrome. Now let it open, and now we can click on add to Chrome to just add this extension in our Chrome browser. As you can see, add extension. So I think it is added now. Now all we have to do is to pin this one. Alright, so now let's go to ChatGPT, or let's open a new one. So as you can see, this is keywords everywhere icon. Please continue. As you can see, clarify, explain, rewrite. So for that, to use this extension's powers or functionality, all we have to do is to click on this template button. Alright, now here the thing is, first of all we'll select choose a category. Similarly that we have done previously, choose a category. So as you can see, copywriting, marketing, SEO, social media, productivity, professionals. We'll select SEO because we want to do keyword research. Then in subcategory we can select keyword research, and because we want to do keyword research, then there's a template. So here we can see first is keyword strategy. So you can click on keyword strategy if you want to do basically strategize the keywords. So basically I'll tell you what keyword strategy is. Keyword strategy involves planning like how to use specific words or phrases in your content to achieve specific goals. Like it's about selecting and targeting keywords that align with your overall objectives, whether it's to boost website traffic, increase conversions, or enhance your online visibility. Then there is get search intent for keywords. So it itself tells what it is, like intent. Understanding search intent for keywords means grasping the reason behind someone online search. It involves figuring out what a person is looking for when they type a particular keyword into a search engine. Aligning your content with users' intent ensures that your information meets their needs, improving the relevance of your content. Then here is related keyword generator. So a related keyword generator is a term or phrase closely connected to the main keyword you are targeting. Including related keywords in your content helps search engines understand the content and relevance of your page. It's a way to capture a broader range of search queries related to your main topic. Then there is long tail keyword. So basically a long tail keyword is a more specific and detailed phrase, usually consisting of 3 or more words. While these phrases may have lower search volumes individually, they often attract a more targeted audience. Long tail keywords can be valuable for niche topics, are generally easier to rank for than broader, more competitive terms. So these are all these things. So let's say first of all I want to search for related keyword generator. And so first of all, as you can see, category, SEO, subcategory, keyword research, templates, select accordingly whichever you want. I've explained all these. Related keyword generator I want basically. When we'll select related keyword generator, this will come up. Language is English, we want in English only. Here is the seed keyword we'll have to write. This is total keywords, how many keywords do we want. We can select accordingly. Basically I want 40 itself. So this is a prompt template that automatically gets created whenever you select a particular template. So let's say if I want to select keyword strategy, so it will create itself a different kind of prompt. So if I'll select long tail, then a different kind of prompt will be generated. So this is a self-made itself, it will create a prompt. All you have to do is to write a seed keyword over here. So let's say, as I said, I want a related keyword generator, and let's type here DevOps. Alright, so total keywords I want 40 itself. Now I'll click on execute template. Alright, so these are the 40 keywords that we wanted. So related keyword generator, continuous integration, infrastructure as code, Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, and they're also telling me the search intent, informational. So all of these keywords are informational. So firstly, they'll create a table regarding these keywords. After that, they will basically list of same keywords separated by commas. As you can see, same keywords are separated by commas so that you can easily use them wherever you want. Alright, so this we have selected for the what we call related keyword generator. Now let's select another one. Let's click on template again. We'll go to related, or let's say long tail keyword generator. Now we'll put DevOps again. Yes. Alright, so as you can see, I think we'll have to select another new chat we'll have to create. Alright, now again we'll go to template, long tail keyword generator, DevOps, and let's say this time we want 50. Alright, so we'll see whenever we are doing this editing, here also it is getting edited. So let's type 60, then it will get 60, and whenever we'll type DevOps, this will also get edited, as you can see. So this is a prompt. Now we'll click on execute template. Let's see how it goes. So these are basically a long tail keywords, as you can see, not a single keyword. DevOps best practices, Kubernetes deployment, Jenkins automation, site reliability engineer, etc. Basically the search intent of all these keywords is like informational. This one we can see commercial, transactional, deployment. So they also show the search intent, and these all are the keywords separated with commas. There are 60 total keywords. Now let's do another one. We'll go to template and we'll type, let's say this time we'll type mobile itself. Now let's see the keyword strategy for mobile. We have typed mobile as a seed keyword. Now execute template. So as we can see, category, keyword, search intent, title, and they're also telling us the title about, as you can see. Let it complete this one, then we'll show this. So it has generated the table, as you can see. Please note that this table includes 24 entries to maintain clarity and conciseness. If you need additional keywords or adjustments, feel free to let me know. We can click on this continue to create more, but let's first just see. As we can see, first of all, types here. There is device types, category, mobile phone, search intent, navigational, and we can see title is also there. If we'll click on this, as we can see, title, search intent, title, essential guide to choosing the perfect mobile. Let's open this. Essential guide to choosing the perfect mobile phone. Description also is there for your content, so you don't have to do anything regarding this. As you can see, explore our comprehensive guide on selecting an ideal mobile. So description they also provide. A complete description is there. So basically you can just copy paste it and just copy this and just put it into an Excel sheet to just have a look at it clearly. So in Excel sheet you can easily figure out what all keywords you want to use in your content or your article. So these two extensions are important for you if you want to do keyword research using ChatGPT and make your work easy. These two extensions are completely free, so feel free to use them. One is AIPRM and another one is Keywords Everywhere.